I just turned 18.
Tapi ulienda miaka 18 ile. Government. I agree for 40. I agree last year for 4 December. Nenda Rogoro ya Rogara alutire muthenya maira, and she's among the best gospel artists, and she's doing so well. Tupige makofi tafadhali. Sasa na kijana. Sasa tena yadini wa Christian, as a Christian nenda kugaru neokora okay. You are very proud of the crown of it.
Yes, exactly. Go, it's body confidence. It's all about body confidence, nothing much.
Na netukora todo tukimwona mukiati muno kijo.
Ewira muthi.
Ewira. Tracy narutavera magamono. This is a brand I don't know where the brand is. In the next level. This lady, she's also Odore Motoy. That Tracy, she's also a business consultant. Makofi tafadhali.
Introducing Tracy as a Tracy. Marito magoma gifadita makade Teresia. Neto mambo